Bitget.
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 Bitget. Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the Bitget Referral Code. If you're looking to enhance your cryptocurrency trading experience, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore how using the referral code 4H6K can unlock a world of benefits for you and your friends. So, what exactly is a Bitget referral code? It's a unique code that allows you to invite others to join the Bitget platform. When someone signs up using your code, both you and your friend receive fantastic rewards. This is a great way to earn while helping others get started in crypto trading. By entering the referral code 4H6K during registration, new users can enjoy incredible bonuses. This includes a generous welcome package that could be worth up to 1,530 USDT. Just think about it. Starting your trading journey with such a boost can make all the difference. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up. Head over to the Bitget website or app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and don't forget to enter the referral code 4H6K during the registration process. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click it to activate your account and get ready to trade. 3. Explore the benefits. Once you're logged in, you can check out the referral program. You'll find your unique referral link here, which you can share with friends and family. Now, let's talk about the rewards. For every friend who signs up using your code, you earn a commission based on their trading fees. Plus, they'll enjoy discounts on their trades as well. The more friends you refer, the more you earn. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Don't forget to share your referral code 4H6K on social media or through messaging apps. The more people you invite, the greater your rewards. In conclusion, using the Bitget referral code 4H6K not only boosts your own trading experience, but also helps others join a vibrant trading community with exciting bonuses. So why wait? Start sharing today and watch your rewards grow. Happy trading!